Right, today we're going to talk a little bit about cast welding. We've got this lug here, should be 3 lugs. That broke off, quite important. Nice big 6-cylinder tractor engine. What I was hoping to do was to weld it with a cast iron stick. So we've got all of these super cast Cito dries from Oerlikon. They, this type of cast, they weren't ideal. That's pretty much what we got out of them. That lot there weren't having much good. So I just went ahead and tried the MIG. Just some regular mild steel, 1mm welding wire, CO2 argon mix. We seem to get this weld here, so I'm thinking rather than start TIGging, I was supposed to cut that out. I was supposed to cut that air off and weld it on there, but I think what I'm going to do, what I'm going to go for is I found this copper rod, the tube, whatever it is. It's about the size of them holes there, so I'm going to stick that in there and I'm going to try and build it up around it and grind it back. So let's see how that goes. I mean, it's interesting to know, depending upon the way the metal's cast and the types of quantities of material inside the cast, which I don't know what's in it. I don't know if you do, but sometimes it's weldable and sometimes it's not weldable and sometimes brazeable. I was talking to a fella this morning and he said to chip the flux off your cast rods and use that as your filler wire and TIG weld it, but I've no argon, so that would have been another thing to go out and purchase. So let's just try it with a MIG, see what it looks like, and take it from there. There you go. That's why you can't MIG weld. Onto that. It's a shame. Don't worry. That's a fear. So it's like that old saying, if at first you fail, go to Ali Mick and get him to weld it up for you. So he's TIG welded that up. He said he was going to use a cast electrode and chip the flux off it. However, I didn't actually, should have videoed him to be honest, but I didn't even actually really watch him. It looked like a normal electrode per se, one of those long ones used for TIG welding, but I can't say what was in it. But yeah, we just need to make that hole round again. Now he did say go home and drill it because it goes hard if you leave it till the next day. Didn't really specify the time. Maybe he just wanted out of his workshop. I don't know. Let's give it a bit of a clean up. Alrighty, so there you have it. Ford County 6-cylinder exhaust manifold. So I think basically some types of cast can be welded with certain processes, and obviously one thing he did say is it was very old and it was not running very well. I don't know. Let him maybe give that another polish up if he wants, but for me it's going to be okay for what it is. Okay, thanks very much for watching. See you next time.